thunderstorm warning for West Central Reeves County in southwestern Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Time. At 4:37 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Toya, moving northeast at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Pecos, Toya, and Pecos Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 16 and 45. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.